Stellar Phoenix Mailbox Exchange Recovery software recovers dismounted Exchange mailboxes and exports recovered mailboxes to Office 365. Here is the software main interface. Select Corrupt EDB file, or you can even find the EDB file if you don't know the location. Click Start to process it further. You can see two scanning options. Quick Scan option is the fast mode to scan and recover corrupt EDB file. If the EDB corruption is very serious, it is advisable to choose the Extensive Scan option to repair the corrupt EDB file extensively for better results. Here I am choosing the Quick Scan option and click OK. In just a few minutes of time, it scans full EDB file. You can also repair multiple EDB files at the same time. Now the software displays the recovered EDB file mailbox's data for preview. Click on Save. Select Office 365 option. You can also export single mailbox to Office 365 by right-clicking. Enter Office 365 login credentials, then click OK. Now you can see the exporting of mailboxes. Mailboxes exported successfully. Thanks for watching.